So good morning everyone. Now we'll discuss about LOTO safety systems. LOTO means lockout tagout systems. Lockout tagout system is very important wherever you are working as a safety officer, as an HSE team. It is very important the machines which comes under maintenance or for the servicing purpose. There are the tags. There are different tags over there which is clearly written on the tags. Do not use, under maintenance, under servicing, entry only, authorized person, that kind of tags, green tag, red tag, yellow tags, there are the different tags over there. It is very important. Once the machines comes under maintenance, electrical equipments or other types of equipments, okay, if you go for the inspection purpose, go with tags, put the tags over there, okay. So we'll discuss related to deeply information related to the LOTO systems. Okay. So lockout tagout systems, it is the physical restraints of all hazardous energy sources that supply power to the piece of equipment or the machineries or to the other systems as well. It includes applying warning tags under the maintenance or servicing related issues on the same equipment. The purpose is the lockout tagout system is to prevent injury, basically the machine. If suppose your machine started malfunction, it's not working in a proper way, suddenly it goes off and then suddenly it goes on. So if you are working in that kind of machineries, there may be the possibility or chances that your hand comes in contact of that malfunctioning machine, under the machine. Okay, so you will get the injury. That kind of injury, it is very important. You need to protect every time while working. Be very careful. Always use proper PPE with proper safety procedures. Then you need to start. So that's why LOTO system is very important to protect you from the injuries or to the workers as well. Okay. So yes, is to prevent injury to the servicing or maintenance, and that is more the unexpected energization. Unexpected means what? Machine is running smoothly, but within after 1 hour, after 2 hours, it started like malfunctioning. Okay, so that calls de-energizations or startup of the machines or process. So 6 steps which we need to cover in LOTO safety systems. Okay, first is called preparation. How you have to prepare yourself. Then you have to go for the shutdown. Take shutdown for like for whole day or for 2 days as well for the maintenance and all. Then isolation, you need to isolate the energy supply. Okay, there are different cables over there, pipeline, cabling, wire lines and all. You need to isolate that power supply. Then you have to go with the tag systems. You need to put the tags, whether it is under maintenance, whether it is like the service is going on. Okay, so you have to put the tags. If machine is totally done with the proper controlling measures, then you need to apply the green tag over there. So that kind of tags is very important. Okay, then stored energy supply, you need to check the energy sources. Okay, and then the last part is called verification. Verification is very important. Once you're done with the machineries, everything is covered, then you need to verify whether the machine is working in a proper condition or not. So that kind of verification is also very important. Now we'll discuss about preparation of LOTO. So locking and tagging out equipment which is related to the maintenance and servicing need to prepare first. So every machineries you have to go as per the what you can say, you need to go for the inspection purpose. Every 6 months you need to put the same machinery under maintenance. Every machines require a maintenance period within 6 months. Within 6 months, if you are working in a big company, so it is your responsibility to make a schedule for the maintenance purpose. So every machinery should be done greasing, oiling, and other things as well related to the 6 months. So that kind of maintenance scheduling is very important. Okay, that calls preparation. How you have to prepare, you have to put every machineries in a servicing period within 6 months. Like you have 100 machines, so in one day you cannot be able to do the servicing of all 100 machines. So you need to make a chart, you need to make a schedule. So that for the scheduling purpose, you have to go like within in between this April month, we need to maintenance of 10 machines. After 1 month, we need to again maintenance of 10 machines. Then again 10 machines. So if you have 100 machines in your company, you can go with the servicing period related to 10 machines. 10 machines in 1 month. Then next 10 machines in next month. Then next 10 machines in next month. So this is how you need to prepare. That calls preparation. Understood? Then shutdown. The actual or exact process of powering down and locking out the machine starts. It's time to shut down water of the machines or equipments by the authorized person. Now it is very important. When you go for the shutdown, always go with the authorization person or the authorized. If suppose you are the ITI holder of the electrician, so it is your responsibility. You are the authorized person to handle the electrical equipments. If you are electrical engineer, then it is again your responsibility. So it is depend upon the authorized person. Only the authorized person can enter inside and then he only wants to work. If suppose a newly appointed worker, should he be able to go over there and work? No. It is the HSE, it is the safety people's HSE responsibilities. You have to put authorized people over there to work with the same machines. So shutdown is very important. You have to go for the shutdown and you need to send the authorized people to work over there. How many days you are taking shutdown? Like 7 days of the shutdown, 8 days, 10 days, because production is also very important. The revenue which is generated from the production point. So you have to take less amount of time for the shutdown and then send the authorized person to work over there and finish the servicing related issues and all. Okay. Then isolation, yes, procedures is to isolate the machines or equipment, whatever the energy source. You have to isolate the energy supply from the plugs, from the buttons, and the main panel of that electrical supply. You have to shut down that as well. So isolation is very important. Then lockout shut systems. The steps, during these steps, the approved or authorized employee will attach the lockout tags. Yes, again it is the responsibility of the HSE, like safety teams. If I am working as a safety officer in any company, so it is my responsibility to go to inspect that machine, and then I have to put a red tag under maintenance. Then it is my responsibility to hand over to the the maintenance team, the head of the maintenance team. So as a safety officer, it is your responsibility to go to inspect the machines. Machine is not working properly, put the red tag under maintenance. Okay, do not use under maintenance, and then send the machine to the maintenance head. Then the maintenance team will work with the yellow tag under maintenance. Okay, and once the maintenance done, then they will put the green tag. Once the green tag done, and then it comes back again to me, and then I will send to the concerned authority. So this is how the tagging system